Well, hi there guys, thanks for joining me and welcome to the channel. And as you can see, I'm out with my wife Claire.
Hello.
And we're out at our woodland bushcraft base camp, and we're out today and we're going to dismantle the old shelter. We've sorted out the canopy above the fire pit because that was all hanging from over the winter, and this is our first opportunity to get here and sort things out. Shelter's seen better days, as you can see. It's wood's starting to season and dry out and snap. Tarps have seen better days, so this is getting dismantled and start a project of a new build. So stick around and we'll bring you along as we carry on with this project. As you can see, myself and Claire have got the shelter down, the old shelter down, and we've dug some holes and we've put these posts in. What we're going to do now is backfill that with the soil and some rocks to make them nice and secure, and then put a cross beam across, cut that one down to height because it's a little bit higher, and then we'll make a start doing the same sort of thing at the back, and we'll carry on with the shelter and we'll just keep updating you and bring you along as we get on with it. Right, I think it's time for a little bit of an update on the shelter build, and this is where we're at the moment. We've got the main frame done. We have just a few little bits and bobs to do at the back there, and then we can get the tarp put over it. We've got these main structures dug into the ground and packed out with rocks and gravel and stuff from the stream. But yeah, I think it's coming on really well. Obviously, it's a deciduous woodland, so you've got to work with what you've got, and obviously it's not pine, so trying to find a piece that's straight is impossible. But yeah, I think it's coming on well. We're getting there, so we're just going to do a little bit more and then we'll start putting tarps over the top of it. Well, there we are. There's our woodland base camp shelter all complete, and Claire's sitting there, and we've just made our first brew to enjoy under our new shelter, and we're really pleased with it. It's good and sturdy, and we're happy that it's finished, and we're looking forward for many a camp, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely.
We're looking forward for, sorry.
Yeah, definitely.
We're looking forward for many a camp under here. I'll just get me brew. Just move that silicone mouthpiece because these cups get red hot. Right, enjoying our first mug of tea under our shelter. Cheers. Here's to many enjoyable day camps and camping trips over here at our woodland permission. We've spent many a time under our old shelter and really enjoyed it, and it lasted about 5 years.
Yeah,
Was it?
as long as that.
Yeah. So hopefully here's to many years and enjoyable times underneath this one, sitting back just here in front of the fire pit. Let's have a little look around. What we've done, we've used these exy head screws and washers to keep the tarp in place, just because tying the tarps on can be a bit of a pain in the neck, so I've just used them, and hopefully the wide washers will keep it from pulling out, so fingers crossed it works. Method in the madness and all that. So we're just going to sit back now and enjoy this, because I'm just yakking on, and enjoy a brew and enjoy a little bit of time out here in our little permission, aren't we?
Yeah.
So if you've stuck by the video this far, thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, please hit the thumbs up, and as always, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
See you